If you're seeing a cranking time exceeded message on your Ford, it means the engine has been turning over too long without starting, and the ECU has temporarily stopped further attempts to protect the starter and fuel system. This usually happens when there's an underlying issue like weak battery voltage, fuel delivery problems, ignition faults, or extreme cold conditions. The first thing you should do is stop trying to start the vehicle and wait about 10-20 minutes to allow the system to reset. Then check your battery to make sure it's fully charged around 12.6 volts at rest and confirm the terminals are clean and tight. Low voltage is one of the most common causes. Next, make sure there's enough fuel in the tank and listen for the fuel pump priming when you turn the key. If the engine cranks but doesn't fire, you could also be dealing with spark plug, ignition coil, crankshaft sensor, or camshaft sensor issues. After addressing any obvious problems, clear any stored fault codes with a scan tool before trying again. If the message returns, a deeper diagnostic check may be needed to inspect wiring, sensors, or ECU communication faults.